Hey guys, and welcome to an infinite flight tutorial on the Dover Aviation YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to start up and perform a run-up on a Cessna 172, as you can see here. This tutorial assumes that you've already done the pre-flight checks and you've already made sure that you have enough fuel on board the aircraft. So first we're going to jump into the cockpit here, and first thing we're going to do is shut all the doors. So let's go to Actions, close the door. So first we're going to make sure that the tank is on both. So left, right, we want to make sure it's on both. Next we're going to turn the master battery and the master alternator on, like that. Next we're going to turn the beacon and navigation lights on so that people around us know that we're starting up the engine. So next the mixture is going to go to full rich, and the throttle is going to go to 1, 2, and a bit, and then we can set the ignition to start, and the engine will start up like so. As the engine starts up, you want to make sure your RPM is at 1,000. And then you can test your panel, your indicator panel. Make sure it's all good. Turn on dim, loop right. And then you can go ahead and taxi out to your runway. Okay, so once we're holding short of the runway, we can do our run-up. So we'll set our parking brake, and then to do the run-up, we're going to set our RPM to 17 or 1800. So you can see there's 1800. So sorry, 7. And then check our magnetos. So I'm going to engines, ignition, left, and we should see a dip in our RPM. Ignition back to both. You can see our RPM rises again. Ignition to right, decrease in RPM. Ignition to back to both, and our RPM increases. Then we're just going to confirm that all the oil and pressures are in the green, which they are. And we're going to idle the throttle. So after you do all that, you can turn on all your lights and you're ready for takeoff. So that's all for today. Be sure to like and subscribe because it's free and you can always unsubscribe. Goodbye.